Hi everybody, Leslie here again. I'm back and I'm going to show you what I found recently when I went thrift shopping. Just a few of the items. Also, it's just a few items because I used to buy a lot when I would go thrift shopping, think, oh, I found all this and make money and all this. What I've learned is just to buy things I'm excited about now. Buy things that are more quality. So, here's a few things I got. Here are some black leather boots that I got. They're Lord & Taylor. They have absolutely no flaws on them. Looks barely worn, maybe worn once or twice. So I got these for $18. They are selling for $50. Here is another find, Land's End jacket, size medium, hot pink, puffer coat, two inside pockets with some Sherpa lining here. I bought for $5 and I think I can sell it for $35. Another hot pink jacket from LL Bean, size medium. So I think I got this for $5 and it's selling for about the same thing, about $30. Here is a Tommy Bahama shirt. Now there's some Tommy Bahama shirts out there that are boring looking. We don't buy those anymore. We used to buy Tommy Bahama and buy this, but no. They have to have some kind of thing that's interesting. So these are Hula Girls on these. So, interesting Tommy Bahama shirt, bought it $5. And this is a Portofino shirt from Express, size small, $3. And I could sell it for at least $25, maybe at least $20, but I have it for $30. And one of my most favorite finds is this awesome sweatshirt with sequin Superman logo on it. What's funny is I have one of these already that I found at a thrift store and I kept for myself and I wear it all the time. And then I come across this one and I thought, yes, if I want this shirt, then somebody else wants this shirt. So it had a stain on it, washed it on out. And we're going to try to get about $25 for the shirt. Another thing I found was some gray Ugg boots, like the kind with rubber at the bottom. Really nice Ugg boots. Never worn. There's absolutely no wear on these boots. But on the back at the top was like this little tiny mark. I sold those within 2 days. I bought them for $25. I sold them for $50. So I made $25 in 2 days off those boots. Maybe I could have got more, but I thought with that little thing in the corner that I wouldn't. But anyways, found that. And something else that actually sells pretty good for us, shot glasses. I know, funny, right? So this is from Cozumel, Mexico, shot glass. I think we paid 99 cents for it, and they go easily for $5 or $6. So just a little bit of something extra. So that's what I found at the thrift store. Now I do have to take pictures of these items and post it. The thrifting is the fun part. The selling and shipping is the second fun part. The hardest part for me is the taking of the pictures and then actually posting it. So let me get started on that. I'll show you what I do. That's it. That's how I take pictures of a sweatshirt. I'm going to fold it up, put it in the bins that it belongs in. Now time for the jacket. it for the jacket. So fold this, put it where I put the jackets. Okay, so I used to buy a lot when I would go thrift shopping. I thought, oh, this is polo, or this is this, and this is that. This will sell great. I've learned not to do that anymore. I've learned to be more selective in my choices, to get more quality items. Yes, you can sell things that have a little bit of damage on them. I try to look for things that are almost flawless. And instead of buying this huge haul of things at Goodwill or any other thrift store, I try to stick to 10 items or less and let that be quality items. Items that look like they're barely used, or items that are definitely in style. And so try to look for more quality items for you to sell. Then you're going to be a lot more excited to take pictures of them and post them, because you're going to feel like, oh yes, this is going to sell. And you're going to be excited about the items that you have for sale. And that's how I feel about the items that I have today. Those Lord & Taylor boots and that Superman shirt, I just feel like there's definitely people out there looking for these things, because I would. And so be more selective in your choices when you're thrift shopping. Okay, so that's it today. I finished those 2 items. Yes, I still need to go take pictures of the other items, and I will do that. I'm a terrible procrastinator, but I am going to do that and post it on eBay. And so, because I need my sales to pick up a little bit more, they've been kind of slow. Has your sales been slow? If so, post more things on eBay. Maybe you bought 10 items last week or found 10 items you want to sell. Post one every day. Don't just post them all at one time. Take a little bit of time, post them every day, show you're a regular eBay user. Also, you maybe need to go into your eBay listings, find what watchers there are, and you can go to make offers. Go to that tab, make offers to your watchers, and I think you can do it as a batch, but I've never done it like that before. I did individual items is how I've done it. So go do that. Also, maybe change up the way the title is, change some words around, eliminate a word, add a word, change something in the listing to update it. That will help show that you're still on eBay and active, and so maybe you'll get some more lookers in your store. Okay, so just don't give up, keep trying with eBay. That's what I'm doing. And so thanks for watching today. Be sure to like the video for today and go subscribe to our channel. That would be great. All right, stay tuned for our next video.